Cynthia AI has just been released, and it's already making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking to optimize your workflow, Cynthia AI is packed with features that can potentially change the way you approach tasks. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software. And by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether Cynthia AI is right for you. Plus, if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal how you can try Cynthia AI for free. Yes, completely free. Let's dive in. First off, Cynthia AI is built for those who want to get serious about automating their digital tasks. From content creation to customer support, it's designed to help businesses and individuals streamline their processes. The software's ability to quickly generate high-quality content for blogs, social media, and even personalized email campaigns is a standout feature. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to write everything manually. Now, Cynthia AI isn't just about content generation. It's also fantastic for data analysis. It can help you analyze your business data, identify trends, and even make predictions about future performance. This is a game changer if you're into digital marketing because it means you can tailor your strategy based on real-time insights, leading to more effective campaigns and higher ROI. Another key feature is Cynthia's ability to personalize interactions at scale. Let's say you're managing a large customer base or running an online store. Cynthia AI can be used to customize customer service responses, making each interaction feel personal, even though it's automated. This is ideal for improving customer satisfaction without adding extra hours of work for your team. One of the things that sets Cynthia AI apart from other AI tools is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The platform is intuitive, and within minutes you can start creating campaigns, generating reports, or interacting with your audience. This ease of use makes it a great option for beginners and those who don't have a lot of technical experience. Another highlight of Cynthia AI is its advanced language capabilities. The software is not just a simple text generator. It understands context and can adapt its tone and style based on the type of content you're creating. Whether you're writing a formal email to a client or crafting a casual social media post, Cynthia AI adjusts to suit the situation perfectly, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the platform integrates with a variety of tools that you're probably already using. From CRMs to email marketing platforms, Cynthia AI can sync up with your existing systems and enhance your workflows, making it a versatile addition to your digital toolkit. This means you don't have to worry about switching to new platforms or disrupting your current operations. Lastly, Cynthia AI is constantly improving. The team behind this software is dedicated to rolling out updates that add new features and enhance the existing ones. This is crucial in the fast-evolving world of AI, and it ensures that Cynthia will continue to stay competitive in the market, always giving you access to the latest advancements. If you're ready to take your digital processes to the next level, I highly recommend giving Cynthia AI a try. You can use it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI software, and Cynthia AI is one of the best. But before you go, don't forget to check out my other top recommended AI tools down in the description. They're all available for free trials, and I promise you'll find something that fits your needs. So, what do you think? Is Cynthia AI the future of automation, or are there other tools out there that might be better for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.